So it comes out pretty sharp.
Take it away.
And I'll just take a little bit of baby powder, talcum powder. That dries up the ink for me. And you can take one with you.
Yeah.
Otherwise, that would take 15 to 18 hours to dry out.
Good job.
Thank you.
Yes, we will get one also. Can I get one more?
Sure, yeah, definitely.
Yes, may I have it, please? Yes? Mama,
Try it out.
There you go.
So is this a real recipe?
Yeah, that's the rest. That's for jam. That's brown
Oh,
right
mama.
there.
Yes?
Take that with you.
Tak, tu jest rower.
Let's bake some jailhouse brown bread.
Wow. Oh.
Yep.
Would you like one of these? Sure. Yeah, it's just constantly going after ink in here. Taking that ink and going over the letters. Slide the paper in, handle comes back.